Want to skyrocket your productivity with the latest AI tools? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools that can transform the way you work in 2024, plus a bonus tool at the end. Stay tuned to find out how these powerful tools can help you achieve more in less time. Welcome back to My Software Busyness, your go-to channel for the latest in digital marketing and AI tools. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. Imagine automating your data extraction, creating high-quality content in seconds, and managing your documents with ease. All thanks to AI. Sounds amazing, right? Let's see how it's done. First up is Browse AI, a tool that allows you to effortlessly extract and monitor web data without any coding. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs to gather data from multiple sources regularly. Let's explore how it works. On the Browse AI website, you can see various use cases, from tracking prices on e-commerce sites to monitoring news articles. Just set up a task, and Browse AI will handle the rest, automating your data collection and saving you hours of manual work. Imagine you're a marketer needing to track competitor pricing. With Browse AI, you can automate this task, ensuring you always have the latest data at your fingertips. This tool is a game changer for boosting productivity and gaining insights quickly. Next on our list is Writesonic, an AI-driven content creation tool that helps you generate high-quality content, visuals, insights, and real-time data. Writesonic is a must-have for marketers and content creators. On the Writesonic website, you can see how easy it is to generate blog posts, social media updates, and even ad copy. Just input your topic, and Writesonic provides you with engaging, SEO-optimized content in seconds. Think about the last time you had writer's block. Writesonic eliminates that problem by giving you a head start on your content creation, whether it's for a blog, an ad campaign, or social media posts. It's an indispensable tool for boosting your content marketing efforts. Our third tool is Chatbase, which allows you to build AI chatbots trained on your data. This tool is perfect for customer support, education, and marketing automation. On the Chatbase website, you can create a chatbot in minutes by uploading your data and training the bot to handle various queries. This makes it easier to manage customer interactions and provide instant support. Picture running an online store where customer queries flood in constantly. Chatbase can handle these interactions, providing quick responses to common questions and freeing up your time to focus on more strategic tasks. It's a powerful tool for improving customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Fourth on our list is Cohesive, an AI-powered editor that amplifies your creativity and productivity. Cohesive helps streamline the content creation process from brainstorming to final edits. On the Cohesive website, you can see how it assists with editing, improving writing quality, and providing suggestions to enhance your content. Imagine you're drafting a report or a blog post. Cohesive can help refine your writing, ensuring clarity and engagement. This tool is like having a professional editor at your fingertips, making it essential for writers and content creators. Finally, we have Humata AI, which is like ChatGPT for your files. It helps analyze, summarize, and manage documents, making it an excellent tool for research, legal work, and education. On the Humata AI website, you can upload documents and let the AI handle the rest, providing summaries, insights, and even answering questions about the content. Think about the last time you had to sift through a large document. Humata AI can simplify this process, providing you with key insights and summaries, saving you valuable time. It's an indispensable tool for anyone dealing with large amounts of information. As a bonus, we have Apollo Easy Scraper, a tool designed to streamline lead generation by scraping data from Apollo.io effortlessly. With Apollo Easy Scraper, you can extract contact information, company data, and more with just a few clicks. On the Apollo Easy Scraper website, you can see how easy it is to set up and start scraping data. This tool is perfect for sales teams looking to build a comprehensive list of potential leads. Imagine you're a sales representative targeting specific industries. Apollo Easy Scraper provides detailed profiles, including email addresses and company details, to help craft personalized outreach messages. It's a powerful tool for boosting your lead generation efforts. There you have it, 5 AI tools that can significantly boost your productivity in 2024, plus a bonus tool to enhance your lead generation. From data extraction and content creation to chatbot development and document management, these tools are designed to make your life easier. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.